Welcome to Weekender ADV. Right now you're on board with Coralie on the 150 XCW. It's our first time out on this bike, so we do some cone drills and then head out to the practice area and ride around for a bit.
Ready.
Alright, so this is our first time out at this area, and it's actually a really cool state trust land area, and it's flat and smooth in this part, and then there's like all these different roads that lead out to this really cool practice area. There's tons of hills and little turn tracks and things like that that people have put together, and it's got something for pretty much everyone.
I tried.
Now you're on the uphill side, so you're good. You can.
I was trying to get up that line.
Yeah, you can get down in here. This is much better than that. It's not that soft, so if you get down in the middle. Yeah, the back tire is gonna spin in that sand. You just gotta hold that, feather that clutch out, okay? And just let it spin. There you go. Good job. Alright, so I just head off this way to see what's kind of over here when we start approaching these little hills and stuff. Oh, that's a nice track. Alright, so I head out and I'm gonna check out the area a little bit. I'm looking for some hills or a little course for her to ride on. I don't know what I'm looking for, but I see this little guy here and I just can't resist it. Good at this shit at all. Yeah, so try this little loop here.
Okay.
It'd be good practice, and then we can try some more hills and stuff. You know? So I'll just stand up for the bumps and the hills. Give her some gas coming up the hill.
Oh boy.
So we definitely got to work on being in a lower gear for her, but I think she's a really amazing job for first time out on this bike and first time doing anything like this. These kind of hills and turns and stuff like that. Stand up. Good.
sit down in here.
What?
You can sit down.
Okay.
I'll stand up. There you go. Nice.
Okay. That was fun.
Now you see how I burn all those calories.
Yeah, it's a lot of work. My muscles are getting sore. My elbows hurt. I like the hoop-de-hoos.
Good.
Not the turny turns.
Yeah, these ones are like, they're so big and so far banked that to go through them nicely, you need to be going pretty fast.
Not ready.
Faster than, like, I usually ride, so.
Because they have
I
terrible
don't-
depth perception and it looks looser than it is.
Yeah, it's definitely nice and still a
Super
lot of traction
packages.
here. A little bit of dust on top, but
Yeah, but much better than the path
Yeah.
out here. Alright, what's next?
perfect.
Is it though? You're so funny. It's like you predicted it.
Okay.
Okay, I'm
So-
stuck on a steep hill.
All right, so here's what we're gonna do. It's not gonna work for me very well.
Are we going off the hill or up the hill?
You're gonna go off the hill, okay? So turn the bars all the way to the left. Okay, and then try to let it roll down with the brake. Okay? Like, don't let go of the handlebars. Okay? Here, watch. Watch,
It's
honey.
not moving.
We're gonna let...
Oh, there now it's going.
Oops, forgot to tell her to pull the clutch in.
Should I be putting it in neutral?
No, hold the clutch in. And let...
Oh, you didn't say that part first.
All right. This hill kind of sucks for this. Because it's got this rut in the middle. Okay, here, watch. I got it. Okay, so the idea was that you let it roll like this.
Oh, okay.
Okay, all the way around.
Yeah.
And then you get it stuck here, and you kind of do this. Okay, now you're ready to get back on the bike. Here. You're like in third gear, honey.
That's the problem. I wanted to be in second.
It's okay.
Live and learn, right?
Yep.
Okay. Let's try again.
So hill, yeah, you need to be going fast enough, but you also have the RPMs high, okay?
Yeah, rev it up
Yeah.
so that you
So,
can stop
I don't know
going.
what gear you need. It just needs to be going. Wah!
Okay. Wah! panicked. Panicked. All I saw was this.
You didn't use enough rear brake, huh?
I think I used a lot of rear brake.
There's no skid marks.
Yeah, then just all front brake.
It was all front brake.
Yeah.
What happened is your front tires probably just stopped and the bar is twisted.
Yeah.
And it went right over.
Yeah.
Right, that's why it's important. That's why we practice with that rear brake. Pull in that clutch.
What? What?
Your engine braking a lot. You're slowing, you're no throttle with the clutch open.
I'm sorry.
Can't do that.
Trying to remember not to. That's all right.